Year 5 and 6, another week, another celebration assembly. So we have 2 weeks left of this half term, of the year actually. So that's 2 more weeks left for you to try and achieve a certificate with your online learning or your in-school learning. So let's see who achieved an Emerald certificate last week. So 37 children achieved Emerald certificates. That's a bit of a drop on the week before and the week before that. So I think for the last 2 weeks we should aim for at least over 60 Emerald certificates. So make sure you're sending in your work, make sure it's good quality work, and if you're in school, you're working hard in there as well. So we'll start with Batuta class. Well done to Saliha, Danuji, Farhad, Danush, Luca, Aswika. And Churchill class, well done Dana, Faris, Shyster, Grace, Ikram, Diana and Haida. In Darwin class, a big well done to Jamal, Barthana, Ria, Stella, Igor and Marwa. In Gandhi class, well done Maria, Dua, Muhammad Ali, Parathis. In Luther King class, well done Anishanth and Vinaya, well done Anna. In Shackleton class, well done to Miria, Abhimani, Arishan, Baranavan, Hussein, Nikhil, Kyle, Tia and Abeda. So well done to all of those children who achieved an Emerald this week. If you haven't had one this week or at all, make sure you get your learning in, send it in to your teachers and see if you can achieve an Emerald. Have a fantastic week.